everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we have some good news. Apple TV Plus is now available on the Xbox One, so you don't have to buy the actual Apple TV box to get Apple TV Plus. And since I've recently bought I got an iPhone, I get a year free of Apple TV Plus subscription. So I'm just gonna do a search for it in the store. And there it is up there. Download it and install it. And it is installing. Okay, that's finished installing. Let's open it up, and I'll have to log in with my Apple TV Plus login, which is my usual Apple login. Start watching. Device as you can don't send, and you can see all the shows in the TV. So I will have to sign in. Sign in on mobile device, sign in on this TV. So I'll just put in my username and password. Okay, I just pressed continue and I'll put in my password now. Okay, that's my password. Sign in. Okay, so there are some free stuff on there. So if you install it, you can watch this one for free. Carpool Karaoke, the Apple Events, and a few other free things. But the movies are, if you don't want to pay for the Apple TV Plus, the subscription, you can actually rent movies for a few dollars if you want to watch something. Let's try this. I am fast forwarding. And it's quite clear, it's quite nice. Anyways, alright, that's about it. Thanks guys for watching, and please subscribe.